Welcome back. Now that we understand Google Cloud hierarchy, let's talk about something every organization cares about: cost. One of the biggest advantages of cloud computing is that organizations only pay for what they use. However, without proper cost tracking, cloud spending can quickly become difficult to manage. This is where projects and billing become essential. Why cost visibility matters. Consider an organization with multiple teams: UI team, payments team, product team. Each team consumes resources such as virtual machines, databases, storage, networking. Management often asks questions like, how much does the payments team spend? Which project is generating the highest cost? Where can costs be reduced? Without proper project structure, answering these questions becomes difficult. Projects create cost boundaries. In Google Cloud, each project acts as a billing boundary. For example, Payments project contains payment APIs, databases, payment VMs. UI project contains front-end applications, storage, load balancers. Google Cloud automatically tracks spending at the project level. This makes cost analysis straightforward. Billing accounts. Every Google Cloud project must be connected to a billing account. Billing accounts are responsible for tracking usage, recording charges, managing payments. A single billing account can support one project, multiple projects, entire organizations, depending on company requirements. Free trial billing. If you're learning Google Cloud, you automatically receive free trial credits, a default billing account. This allows you to experiment with resources while learning. However, remember, resources created beyond free tier limits may generate charges. Best practices. Always check mark button create projects logically. Check mark button separate development and production. Check mark button group related workloads together. Check mark button monitor spending regularly. Check mark button review billing reports periodically. Proper structure simplifies management and cost optimization. Conclusion. Today we learned why billing matters, project-level cost management, billing accounts, cost visibility. Next, we'll learn how to proactively control spending using budgets and budget alerts.